Example 4, Keith, is this the heat recovery chiller building? And then we're going to talk about its system.
Well, actually, this one is another version of that one in that it was a series of DX rather than chilled water components being used on all four of those floors. And they made it a water cooled and then rejected the water loop from the DX system up to some adiabatic coolers, which is some nice ways of doing it. They actually had a geothermal heat loop, but by the time they got to the second and third floors, they ran out of a geothermal loop and had to go to an alternate one. So
Wow.
it is interesting that over in this old shoe warehouse in Massachusetts, over about 1,000,000 tons, I mean, excuse me, 1,000 tons of cooling in this building, trying to handle all the grow spaces that they did. But they featured the hot gas reheat system, so the additional dehumidification wasn't required in the cultivation rooms.